In order to learn new topics or new terms, sometimes we observe that some of the biological terms are really hard for us to remember. Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to discuss about some useful topics that will help us to remember the biological terms easily. So let's jump into the topic. Firstly, we have to split the biological terms. Like if we observe a procedure like glycolysis, okay, glycolysis or gluconeogenesis, etc. So in order to learn these processes, we have to split the terms or split the topics. Then we are able to identify the specific topics. Okay, so if we split the term, that is the glycolysis, so lysis means the breakdown. Okay, so lysis means breakdown. So and glyco comes from glucose, so this is the term for glucose breakdown. And what about this gluconeogenesis? So genesis means synthesis. Okay, genesis means synthesis, neo means new, and gluco comes from glucose. So basically it is the synthesis process of glucose from new materials or non-carbohydrate materials. So if we split the term accordingly, then the term is easy for us to remember. Then one example for bacterium, that is lactobacillus. Okay, so lactobacillus, if we split the lactobacillus term, then we have get bacillus and lacto. So bacillus comes from a bacterium that is rod shaped. Okay, so rod shaped bacterium is known as bacillus, and the lacto comes from milk. Okay, lactose. In order to know the term or in order to learn new things or new topics, we have to split down the whole topic, okay, or the whole heading. If we successfully break down the terms, then we can get easily rememberable things. That means we can easily remember those things that is really essential for us to learn about the topic. So another example is photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis. So here synthesis is obvious. Synthesis for generating or synthesizing. Okay, synthesizing or producing. Okay, and photo, this term comes from photon means sunlight. With the help of photon, plants generate their food, and this is the topic known as photosynthesis. And just take another example like an enzyme. Okay, and enzyme, that is citrate synthetase. Okay, synthetase. So citrate synthetase is a critical enzyme present or observed in TCA cycle. Okay, so it is observed in TCA cycle. So basically synthetase means the synthesis. Okay, synthetase means the synthesis. So the enzyme that can synthesize citrate. Okay, so the enzyme that can synthesizing citrate is known as citrate synthetase. Another example is cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. So cyto comes from cell and plasm comes from fluid. So any kind of fluid part, that is known as plasm. Okay, so whenever the fluid is resides inside of the cell, it is known as cytoplasm. If the fluid or plasm resides in the nucleus, okay, then it is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, so those are various examples of splitting the terms. If you split the terms accordingly or properly, then you will understand the topic, whole topic itself, and it is the easiest thing or easiest procedure to remember biological terms easily. So hope you like that video. If you like that video, please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.